Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install new Notepad with tabs on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Start menu. Go to Settings. Click Windows Update. Then click Windows Insider Program. Join Insider Program Dev channel. The video of how to join Dev channel is already uploaded on your channel. You can watch it if you want. Click Microsoft Store. Then type Windows Notepad. Click Windows Notepad. If you get any update, please update. Open Windows Notepad. Click Settings icon. You can also continue to work with file across multiple windows by dragging a tab out into its own window. And in your app settings lets you customize other files, open in new tabs or a new windows by default. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.